Welcome.
We will give you tips on bathroom design and the latest bathroom fashions. Decorating bathrooms has become one of the things that many people love. In order to obtain a sophisticated and beautiful appearance, you can decorate your bathroom with some artificial vases, which give the bathroom a lively and beautiful shape, which you can put on the sink or additional shelves. Dark brown walls. When you paint the bathroom in dark brown colors that give luxury to the general look and mood of it, so you must be patient when choosing the colors. Distinctive flowing and fixed basins. The basins in the bathrooms are one of the basic elements that you must be patient when you The decor for this bathroom is the simplicity and beauty we need in our house. The white sink is one of the best choices that increase the beauty. Bathrooms with small spaces. In addition to the brown color, which increases a lot of sophistication, the presence of brown shelves added a lot of mod. The design of this bathroom is one of the quiet designs that suits a large number of people. The bathroom is warmly lit with some classic spotlights on the mirrors. Lots of light beige wood waterproof drawers. Large areas of bathrooms have better control over the decor. These were a few tips for designing the bathroom. We hope that you have benefited with us. We hope that you will subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.